So one of the other things I like to do with the Subaru, disconnect your battery. What that does is it resets your ECU and it gives you a chance for your car's computer to relearn everything. It's a good idea to remove the dipstick. So when you drain the oil out, you've got somewhere for the oxygen to go into your engine, so it just drains better. Engine oil filter and drain plug. So this is where we're going to drain the oil from. So here's the screws that we're going to undo, and here's something that's a little extra present. Must be a bolt from somewhere that's fallen down into the bottom. So here's the filter, here's a drain plug. So we're going to drain it first and then we'll pull the filter out. So out comes the oil, nice and hot, nice and dirty. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is change the filter over. So you pull the plastic off. Now what I want to do is I want to fill the filter with oil. So when I put it up, there's already oil in the filter. It's a good idea just to rub some oil around the gasket. Alright, so you do the filter up, you do it up, hand tight, a little bit tighter than hand tight. So the Subaru 2.5 litre XT turbocharged model generally takes about 4.5 litres of oil. The manual is incorrect. It doesn't really have a correct amount. I think it's saying about 4 litres, but what I found is the correct amount is 4.5 litres. What I find is it's very difficult to get an accurate reading on the dipstick. I have to leave my car sit for an hour or two before I can check the oil on a level surface to get an accurate reading. So I don't know if you can see that, but right now it's reading the correct level. So I've put just over 4 litres of oil. Alright, so we're good to go. Let's start her up. Okay, so the engine's running. I'm going to let the oil circulate for a couple of minutes. Check underneath. Make sure there's no leaks. You do not want to have your oil leak out, and by servicing the car yourself you cause more damage and it will cost you more money than what you're saving. So you've got to double check that your oil filter's on firmly and that your oil drain bolt is on very firm. This is incredibly important.